के तपाईं मलाई भोलि भेट्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you meet me tomorrow? के तपाईं मलाई भोलि भेट्न सक्नुहुन्छ? Can you meet me tomorrow? तपाईं के लिनुहुन्छ? What do you take? तपाईं के लिनुहुन्छ? What do you take? के म यो लिन सक्छु? Can I take this? के म यो लिन सक्छु? Can I take this? म तिमीसँग कुरा गर्दैछु. I am talking to you. म तिमीसँग कुरा गर्दैछु. I am talking to you. तिम्रो बुवा रिसाउनु हुनेछ. Your father will get angry. तिम्रो बुवा रिसाउनु हुनेछ. Your father will get angry. मसँग पैसा छैन. I don't have money. मसँग पैसा छैन. I don't have money. के तपाईले मेरो ठेगाना पाउनुभयो? Did you get my address? के तपाईले मेरो ठेगाना पाउनुभयो? Did you get my address? के तपाई विदेश जाने योजनामा हुनुहुन्छ? Are you planning to go abroad? के तपाई विदेश जाने योजनामा हुनुहुन्छ? Are you planning to go abroad? मेरो जीवन धेरै सरल छ. My life is very simple. मेरो जीवन धेरै सरल छ. My life is very simple. आफ्नो पैसा राख्नुहोस्. Keep your money. आफ्नो पैसा राख्नुहोस्. Keep your money. के तिमी मसँग आउँदैछौ? Are you coming with me? के तिमी मसँग आउँदैछौ? Are you coming with me? ऊ त्यहाँ जान चाहदैन. He doesn't want to go there. ऊ त्यहाँ जान चाहदैन. He doesn't want to go there. धेरै पैसा खर्च नगर्नुहोस्. Don't spend too much money. धेरै पैसा खर्च नगर्नुहोस्. Don't spend too much money. उहाँले मलाई यो गर्न लगाउनु भयो. He made me do this. उहाँले मलाई यो गर्न लगाउनु भयो. He made me do this. उहाँ गलत हुनुहुन्छ. He is wrong. उहाँ गलत हुनुहुन्छ. He is wrong. म तिमीसँग फेरि एकचोटि कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to talk to you once more. म तिमीसँग फेरि एकचोटि कुरा गर्न चाहन्छु. I want to talk to you once more. म त्यहाँ जान चाहन्छु. I want to go there. म त्यहाँ जान चाहन्छु. I want to go there. के तपाई मेरो भाइलाई चिन्नुहुन्छ? Do you know my younger brother? के तपाई मेरो भाइलाई चिन्नुहुन्छ? Do you know my younger brother? के म तपाईलाई भेट्न सक्छु? Can I meet you? के म तपाईलाई भेट्न सक्छु? Can I meet you? हामी सँगै खाना खान्छौ. We eat food together. हामी सँगै खाना खान्छौ. We eat food together. यो कति महँगो छ? How expensive is this? यो कति महँगो छ? How expensive is this? तिम्रो किताब कहाँ छ? Where is your book? तिम्रो किताब कहाँ छ? Where is your book? ऊ क्रिकेट खेल्दैन. He doesn't play cricket. ऊ क्रिकेट खेल्दैन. He doesn't play cricket. तिनीहरूले बुझ्दैनन्. They don't understand. तिनीहरूले बुझ्दैनन्. They don't understand. त्यहाँ नबस्नुहोस्. Don't sit there. त्यहाँ नबस्नुहोस्. Don't sit there.